Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Today is an exciting day because Redmi Note 7 Pro is finally here. As you can see, I have a couple of boxes. One contains the blue color and the other one contains the black color. Let's start with the blue one first. Opening up the box, the first thing that you will find inside is another box. And opening that up, you get some paperwork and a clear transparent case for the phone. It's really good to see that Xiaomi is sticking with the tradition of adding cases to their boxes. Now keeping the case aside, the next thing inside the box is the smartphone itself, and it looks absolutely stunning in this blue color. It has that gradient finish which looks absolutely gorgeous, and I'm in love with this color. Now apart from these things, you will only get the charger and the charging cable inside the box. The charger is a standard 10-watt charger. It is not a fast charger, but the phone does support Quick Charge 4.0. So if you want quick charge, you will have to buy the adapter separately, but that's not an issue because this is a budget phone. So that was the blue color. Now let's move on to the second box, which contains the black color. Now holding both these phones side by side, I have to say that it's making my decision very tough because even the black looks absolutely stunning. It is stealthy, it is classy, and it is a very typical black, like it's a deep black, and I actually like that. So my decision is very difficult, but for now I'm going to stick with the Neptune blue color, and maybe in the future I'll switch to black, but for now I'm sticking with the blue color. Now after the device has been set up, the first thing to do is go into the settings menu and see the Android version. As you can see, this phone comes with Android Pie out of the box, which is actually pretty good because Xiaomi hasn't always been the best with latest Android versions. But this time you get the latest Android version and I kind of like that. So moving on, let's talk about what lies under the hood. So the Redmi Note 7 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 675 processor along with Adreno 612 GPU. You get two options, one with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage, and the other one with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. Up front you get a 6.3 inches Full HD Plus display, and this time it comes with a very small notch. In fact, it's just a cutout for the camera module. So yeah, if you have to do a notch these days, this is the way to go. Apart from that, this phone also comes with a 4000 mAh battery, which is massive, and it will easily last you for 1.5 to 2 days. Xiaomi has always been great with battery life when it comes to the Note series, and that's been one of the highlighting feature of this series, that is battery life. Now the main USP of this phone is the dual camera setup on the rear side. The primary camera is a 48 megapixel sensor, which is bonkers, like it is an actual 48 megapixel sensor. And if you want to know more about this 48 megapixel thing, then I've already made a dedicated video on that. I'll link it in the description box below. Apart from that, the secondary camera is a 5 megapixel depth sensor. On the front side, you get a regular 13 megapixel camera, no massive numbers here, and that's kind of okay. Now to give my final verdict, I'll have to test these cameras out in detail. That's why stay tuned on the channel because I will be covering this phone in detail and I will make a lot of videos. That's why stay tuned and hit that subscribe button. So anyway, that's been it. This was a very quick unboxing of Redmi Note 7 Pro, and I hope that it helped you out in some way or the other. And if it did, then please let me know about that in the comment section down below. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one.